how to find the best flight deals with Google Flight. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can find the best flight deals with Google Flight. So the first step is to log into your Google Flight account, and then once you're logged in, the second thing for you to do is to make use of the cheapest tab. So what is the cheapest tab? Okay, on Google Flight offers the opportunity for you to search out a flight based on how cheap the prices are. So how do you do that? The first step is to move to the flight session, and then once you're in the flight session, select the kind of trip you want. Is it a round trip? Is it one way? Is it multi-city? Select the number of passengers, select the kind of class. And then once you've done that, select your location as well as where you're heading to. And then once you are in the dates option, click on the calendar icon that you can see there. And then you would see the different prices available. Okay, the different prices that it will cost you depending on the days for you to travel. And as you can see here, the cheap ones are the dates highlighted in green. That those are the cheap ones. These are highlighted in green. So if that's the case, just go ahead and select your departure as well as your arrival. So after selecting it, just click on done and click on search, and then the prices of the flights available for those days based on their airlines will be displayed. And so on this airline page as well, you can also see different ways to find best flight deals for you by filtering the kind of flights you want. All right, now if you want the ones that would allow you to stop, you can select it. The kind of airlines you want, you can also filter it that way. The ones that allows quite a number of bags. All right, you can use it to filter. Right, if it's the one that will allow you to carry a bag or two. You see, the flight options will also be based on that. Then also by airlines, like I said earlier, by price, most as expectedly. So if you want to one that will be filtered based on price, ensure you select that. Then times as well. Then once you've selected the one you want, scroll down to the sort by option and click on that. And then the flights would be also be displayed based on these options. You can see best flights, you can see price, you can see departure time, etc. Since you are looking for the best flight deals, ensure you select best flights. And so once you've selected best flight, the next thing that you can do is to set up price alerts. This is very important so that you can know when the price goes up or when it comes down, so you can have an idea of the best time to travel and save money. Okay, so you just ensure you set your price alert by turning this toggle on, and then you'll receive price updates details, as you can see by the bottom part of my screen. And also you can also check out this price alert by moving to the top left corner beside the Google logo. You'll see three horizontal lines. Click on that, and for you to check out the price alerts, you can see the option tracked flight prices just below vacation rentals and above change language. So that way you can easily track the flight. So another way you can find best flight is for you to be flexible with dates. Okay, I think I've mentioned this earlier, that by using this grid you can find the cheapest days to fly. And also something else that you can do is to check price history by clicking on the price graph. By checking the price history, you will be able to use the price graph to see historical and future flight prices, and this will help you to decide the best time to book your flight. So these are the various ways whereby you can find the best deals on Google Flights. Thank you for watching and have a good trip.